An essential tool since 1964, the FACOM Ratchet has emerged as a vital piece of equipment at the heart of major technological advances in history, securing aeronautical adventures, exploring the ocean deep, propelling the conquest of space, and reinforcing the hand of man to achieve outstanding mechanical milestones. Today, FACOM has redesigned the lines of force of its legendary Ratchet, tracing the outline of a better future and reinventing this critical tool, which has become a true symbol of mechanical excellence. A tradition based on recognized expertise that stands at the crossroads of craftsmanship and industry. A place where the word manufacturing still has significant meaning. Born from a perfect chemistry between the elements, the 161B Performance Ratchet forges its identity in fire, hones its precision in water, and finally acquires its stainless steel sheen before being assembled meticulously to create the ultimate tool. 8 new innovations underline the exceptional nature of this completely redesigned Ratchet. More compact, lighter, more ergonomic, stronger, more dust-proof, IP51 certified, more sophisticated, patented MIM technology, easier to customize, safer, SLS compatible. The new FACOM 161B Ratchet, the best just became better.